And let's go ahead and plop this down and see if we can charge it this way as well. And yes, we can. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this right here. This is Belkin's Boost Charge Pro portable fast charger for the Apple Watch, which I'm going to be using with my Apple Watch Ultra right here. So without further ado, let's get to getting this guy out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, it's got a picture of the charger itself. It says it has fast charging for the Apple Watch Series 7 and later. Obviously the Ultra came out after that because it just came out actually today. This is being filmed on launch day, so that's pretty cool. Made for Apple Watch. It's got the name of the charger right here, Belkin right here, and over on the back, it's got a picture of it as well right here with the included USB-C cable. And yeah, you know what, let's just open this up. I want to see what it's all about. And wow, that is pretty compact. I can definitely see how you could travel with this. And yeah, it looks like the cable is all nice and managed right here, like it said, with that cable management. We can put this to the side. It shows some different ways you can charge your Apple Watch, either like this or flat like this. I think I'm going to use it up like this because I feel like that's a better look. And yeah, now that we've seen what's in the box, that was pretty easy. Let's pop this out right here and let me plug in this Belkin charger. Unfortunately, one thing I will say is it does not come with a power adapter, so make sure you have one. I actually just bought one just for this right here, an Apple 20-watt one that works with USB-C. Obviously, only one of those because it has a USB-C cable, but let me go ahead and plug this in. So now I've actually got this guy all nice and plugged in, and I noticed I didn't take the plastic off of it. I was wondering why it was so shiny, so let me go ahead and do that right now. Here we go, and yeah, now it definitely looks better. So let's go ahead and put my Apple Watch Ultra on it so I can go ahead and take this off. I've got the Ocean Band, as you guys can tell, so I take it off just like this. Here we go. And let's see, here it is. Beautiful Apple Watch Ultra, biggest Apple Watch ever. And we can go ahead and put it on. And let's see, is it charging? So it actually is not, but I think I have to come over here and adjust the size a bit. So let's see if I can go ahead and do that. So this is the biggest Apple Watch. This is 49 millimeters, but right here we can put it on the 45 millimeter setting and see if that works. Okay, so now let's try popping it out and see if it charges. Here we go, and let's see. Okay, folks, now thankfully I just got this Belkin's charger to start working right here and charging up my watch. So I don't know why it wasn't working earlier, but thankfully it is now. And as you can see, when you're charging it, it puts it in this nice nightstand mode when you're charging it in this landscape orientation. And as you can see, it has the time, the amount of charge, and the date. So that is pretty cool right there. And yeah, to prove that it's working, now I can go ahead and take it off. And I can put it back on again. And as you can see, it is still working just fine. So that is good right there. And let's go ahead and plop this down and see if we can charge it this way as well. And yes, we can. So if you prefer charging your watch all out like this, you can. But for me personally, once again, I like charging it like this because I just think that looks pretty cool right there. And even if we want to like put the band maybe shut a bit right there so it kind of takes up less space, but yeah, that looks really nice. So check that out, folks. But anyway, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say about this Belkin portable charger right here for the Apple Watch. I definitely like it, and I think it's going to be a cool way to showcase my Apple Watch Ultra when I'm not using it right here. But if you guys want this charger for yourself, it will set you back about $60. So it is on the pricier side, especially considering it doesn't even come with a wall plug, which I think it definitely should. So Belkin, if you're listening, you guys should do that. But definitely, guys, let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this charger. Do you have it for yourselves? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.